That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That has made some serious damage. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide. There is a fielder at cover. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Can you do it again? They are calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. There is a fielder at cover. That's gone high in the air. And that's gonna clear the boundary for 6. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Nudges it for a single. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
Strokes it into the gap for a single.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
There is a fielder at cover.
That is a very quick single taken. The field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those easy singles. They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets. He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series. It's nicely timed. We'll only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That is edged. That is excellent running between the wickets. Pacer introduced from the other end.
There is a fielder at deep extra cover.
Oh, that was a seriously quick ball.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Unable to break free. Missed that completely. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Trying to up the run rate there, a very loose shot in the end. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. Missed that completely. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one.
Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now.
What a match this has been. It's a jam-packed stadium here today, witnessing an edge of the seat thriller here. Oh, shot, but only a single. bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
That is brilliant work by the wicketkeeper, and he has got the batsman out stumped. He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly.
That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt.
Deep point in place. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. That is brilliant work by the wicketkeeper, and he has got the batsman out stumped.
And that's it. A brilliant performance from the bowlers. They bowled good lines all day.